I'm currently taking a look at shares of Cheesecake Factory. They're recovering up about nearly bordering the flat line there after UBS downgraded the stock from neutral to sell, causing shares to fall nearly 4% at market open today. In a note to investors, UBS warns against the year-to-date rally on shares of the fast casual chain, up more than 19%. The firm said it expects same-store sales to slow down at Cheesecake Factory and for higher food and labor costs to take a toll on the company's bottom line. UBS did also cite macroeconomic headwinds like the risk of a recession that could negatively impact casual dining demand and has increasing concerns about consumer spending, making Cheesecake's future outlook uncertain. I also do want to note here that UBS did maintain its price target of $30. We're seeing shares slightly higher than that today. And as of this morning, Wall Street has 3 buys, 9 holds, and 4 sells on shares of Cheesecake.
This on the heels of another downgrade from Citi just last week, but largely speaking, investors not buying it based on that. Yeah. And look, I don't want to talk about the stock. I just want to talk about Cheesecake Factory. Are we bullish or bearish? Because I love me some Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, you do? I thought you
love
were.
it.
I love it too.
Oh, you thought I was down?
I thought you were down on cheesecake. I thought we've had this.
I think that there's a little bit too many menu options. If I'm being honest,
it's
hard to choose.
You can find anything you're looking for.
You can find anything. It's good for a big group.
As a former restaurateur, I would shrink that menu. Yes, that is hard for ordering and the amount of food you throw out. But don't you ever throw out the Bang Bang Chicken and Shrimp, which is one of the greatest meals I've ever had.
Dave, bullish on the Bang Bang Chicken. Noted, noted.
And their salads are very good too. My only issue is that it is a bit pricey for a chain restaurant. When you take a look and you compare some of those menu prices to maybe some of its competitors, and this was noted in UBS's note out this morning, that it is more expensive. So that is my one issue. If they could bring it down a few bucks on every item, I think I would go a little bit more.
Inflationary customers, but you get leftovers, man. It's so big. It's like the size of my,
a lot of calories in those.
But what could happen here is if consumers do pull back a bit, they could be pulling off of those fast casual chains and they could be going to more McDonald's.
They could go to Dave's Hot Chicken. We have the founder and CEO coming up later in the show, fastest growing restaurant chain in America.
Their chicken looks good.